Hello everyone, welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I'm back again with another job notification for all of you, and this job notification has been released by GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, and they have released vacancies for recruitment without gate examination. Okay, so beta, if you like this notification, make sure that you press the like button and share this video as much as possible so that everybody is aware about this job notification. But before going any further, before taking any time of yours, let me put a disclaimer out there that this job vacancy is for those who are having 2 years of experience. Even 1 year of apprenticeship plus 1 year experience is equivalent to 2 years experience. So if you have done apprenticeship and 1 year of job, that will be equivalent to the 2 years experience. So this video I am making for my alumni, for my old students who are currently working somewhere and they want to switch to GAIL. Okay, so these vacancies are not for the fresher students. So if you are a fresher watching this video, you can watch this video, but this is not of much use to you. But for your future references, you can watch like how is the recruitment done for such companies on the basis of experience. So let's get started. So GAIL is the gas distribution company and they want to accelerate their business in a focused manner in various cities across the nation. So it is a Maharatna company and it is a wholly owned subsidiary. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of GAIL. Okay. So they have released the vacancies, GAIL Gas Limited. Now see, number of posts and the name of post, Senior Associate Technical. These are 31 vacancies in unreserved, 7 EWS, 19 OBC, 10 SC, 5 ST, total of 72. Fire Safety, total of 12. Marketing, 6. Finance and account 6, and then beta company secretary is 2. For HR they have released 6. So total vacancies are 104. Okay. Now out of 104 posts, they are reserving 5 posts for PWBD candidate. That is for people with benchmark disability. They have given the details of disability as well. That will be considered under PWBD. Other is the Junior Associate Technical, total of 16 vacancies under Junior Associate Technical, and in this one they have reserved for PWBD candidates. Now what is the PWBD definition? Low vision, deaf, hard of hearing, one arm, one leg, both arm, both leg. So all of this list you can go through if you are a PWD candidate to check if you go under PWBD. PWBD means they will not consider all the disabilities, but they will consider the select few which they have given in this list. Okay. Now, people with benchmark disability belonging to category for which the post is identified can also apply even if no vacancies are specially reserved for them. So basically, if you are a PWBD candidate, you can also apply under that particular category. Suppose you are an OBC candidate and a PWBD candidate. So even if PWBD vacancies are not reserved for you for that particular post, still you can apply for that. Okay. And age relaxation will be provided to you. Now, what is the job tenure? So they are giving you a 3-year period with 6 months probation. So 6 months probation, then 2.5 years of job. And this can be extended up to 2 years. So a maximum of 5 years. What is the minimum essential qualification? For technical associate, you need to have a bachelor degree in electrical or electronics, mechanical, production, industrial, mechanical, automobile, instrumentation, instrumentation control, electronic instrumentation, electrical instrumentation, electronics, electrical, electronics, civil. So all these are possible with minimum 50% marks. But what do they need in addition? They need you to have a 2 years experience with 1 year apprenticeship will also be counted as a experience. Okay. So that is out of 2 years, 1 year can be apprenticeship in the respective discipline. But summer training or vocational training that you have done in your college will not be counted as a experience. Upper age limit is 32 years for unreserved category and age relaxation is provided for the other categories. For fire and safety, you need to have a bachelor degree in engineering with 50% marks. Marketing, 2 years MBA with specialization in marketing, oil, gas, petroleum, energy, infrastructure, all these domains. So this is not relevant for our engineers. Finance is also not relevant. Company secretary is also not relevant. HR is also not relevant. So fire, safety and technical. Junior associate technical, you need to have a diploma and minimum 2-year post qualification experience. Okay, so again the experience criteria is same even for diploma and the degree student, but for junior associate diploma is eligible, but for senior associate technical you need to have a bachelor degree. Okay, but they haven't specified electronics and communication. Other than that, all the branches they have specified. Terms and condition is the minimum eligible qualification, which I told you already. So having higher qualification than specified for junior associate will not be considered. That is, for junior associate degree students will not be considered. Only diploma holders are necessary. And you need to have a degree from UGC recognized in Indian University or Indian deemed university or AICTE approved courses. Okay. Diploma in engineering should be from a recognized from a state board of technical education. So your college of diploma should be recognized by the state board. Now, minimum percentage is 50%, but if you are getting a pointer, CPI, CGPA, whatever you may call it, you need to have a conversion criteria which your college must specify on a certificate. That is, how do you convert your pointer to a percentage? Engineering degree can be BE, BTech or BSc engineering. And dual degree will also be considered, 5 years dual degree. Okay. So where MBA is being considered, they need a full-time 2 years postgraduate diploma in management with the relevant specialization. Okay. PGDM we call it. And the minimum essential qualification should be on 10th of April. So your 2 years should be completed before 10th of April, then you will be considered. Okay. Relaxation will be provided for SC, ST, PWD candidates for percentage of marks. So relaxation is up to 45%. So for unreserved you need 50%. For category you need 45%. Upper age limit is given in table 3 and 4. I told you 32 years. And this is the relaxation that is given for SC, ST. It is 5 year, OBC 3 year and PWD 10 years. Okay. So that is given. Now, what is the salary? For senior associate 60,000 per month and for junior associate 40,000 per month. It includes all the allowances. So this is the total salary. Okay, no allowances above than this. Variable pay and annual increment. So variable pay and annual increment as per the policy of GAIL. Other benefit will again be as per the policy of GAIL. And statutory benefits such as PF, EDLI, gratuity will be extended. Okay. Mediclaim policy for yourself, for your wife and 2 children up to 5 lakhs on annual basis. Group accident insurance will also be provided during the course of employment. Okay. Placement assignment, you can be placed in any office, any field of the GAIL, and application fees is only 100 rupees. Okay. So application fees is 100 rupees, but SC, ST, PWBD candidate are exempted from the payment of application fees. You do not have to pay anything. How do you apply? You go to this website, that is gailgas.com careers/careers in. You go to this website and you can pay by online payment. No other means of payment, no other means of application will be entertained. So the applications have applications will start from 10th of March and up to 10th of April, the applications will go on. Okay. So 10th of March it is starting. You have to apply for only one post. You cannot apply for multiple posts. And before registering, you should go through this detailed document so as to check whether or not you are eligible before investing your time and money. And you need to have a valid email ID and mobile number. You need to have a self-attested recent passport size colored photograph. Size of file can be up to 100 KB. You need to have a scanned copy of your signature. You need to have the details of your debit card, credit card or net banking for payment of application fees. After submitting the online application, you should download your application form, You should download the application form which will have a unique registration number, and you need to put your signature in the space provided and keep the form with you in a printed form for future reference. Okay, as I told, you must have a valid email ID and contact number. Before submission, you can edit all the information. So that is why you must take a preview of your application before submitting so that there are no errors. Okay. And this is given as the step-by-step process for submitting the application form. Go through this before submitting the application form. Okay, and keep the original documents with you. Keep the Xerox copy, self-attested documents also with you. And you should also keep the receipt of the online payment with you. Okay. Print out the online application form, sign it with 2 recent size photograph. Okay, you need to have that. Document for date of birth, that is matriculation or class 10 certificate. Income and asset certificate you need to have for ST, ST, OBC candidate. And your certificate stating your qualification, that is your degree, that is your mark sheet. Okay, experience certificate from your company, you need to have that also. For current employment, you can have a salary slip, latest pay slip, okay, and the offer letter. And for the past employment also, offer letter and the promotion order, last pay slip that you received. So you need to have all these proofs to state your experience, that is your pay slip, your offer letter, okay. Valid ID proof, PAN card, Aadhaar card, voter ID. And you need to bring all these documents when the selection process begins. They will call you at their office. You need to carry the original documents. You need to carry the self-attested Xerox document. Okay. 3 copies of the photo should be retained for the future use. Make sure you have the latest photograph. Okay. And you must have a medical fitness certificate also at the time of joining. They will ask you that. Selection process is for senior associate, written test and a personal interview. For junior associate, that is diploma holders, will only have to face a written test and or a skill test. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Test center will be, you have to fill that online while applying. You will have to select the test center and you cannot change your test center. Options are Delhi, NCR, Bangalore, Bhopal and Ranchi. Okay, only Indian nationals above 18 years of age are eligible to apply. Up to 32 years they are eligible to apply. So you need to check whether or not you fulfill all the eligibility criteria. Again, these are the same things. Okay, I have told you all the details. So make sure that you read this document in complete detail before applying. And I hope some of my alumni who wanted to switch to GAIL can utilize this opportunity and go to GAIL. Now, at last, what I would like to tell you guys, bacho, we are starting an offline classroom program in Delhi. So GATE 24 and 25 aspirants can join our offline classes. We will be launching this center this month itself, that is in March. You will get all the top educators. You will get 100% syllabus completion. You will get the plus subscription. You will get the entire study material. And the classroom will be the state of art. And the best thing is that you are getting discount. So if you are existing plus and iconic learner, you are getting 50%. If you want to switch to Unacademy from other coaching, 50%. If you join right away, you get 33%. And on merit basis, you are getting 20% off. And online, we have started our latest batch with Sujay sir starting signals and systems at 2:30 p.m. from 28th of Feb for 24 as well as 25 for both electrical and AC. So I hope you can decide upon your career, and if you decide to pursue GATE and the technical exam, make sure that you become a part of Unacademy and study from the best educators, study under my personal guidance. Make sure whenever you join Unacademy, use the code AnkitESC to get under my personal guidance and be a topper, be what you can be. That is, you must realize your potential, you must achieve your potential, and that can be done when you are in company of toppers, when you are in company of top educators. So join Unacademy right now using code AnkitESC and together, let's crack it.